In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract objects from your photos on iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. This feature works on iOS 16 and latest versions, so first make sure that you have updated your device to the latest iOS. And then open up your Photos app. Hit on some album, and then let's say I want to extract that object, that actually me, and I want to copy that image to standalone image, or I want to copy that to send it via any messenger. In that case, all I have to do is hold down on that image and then move my finger out of that image. Just don't release that finger from the screen. Now, by another finger, you can go back to your photos, and here you can release your finger to copy that object to standalone picture. Pretty cool, huh? And also from here, if you open up this image again, you can tap and hold for a half of a second on that object and then release a finger. It gives you that different options like copy and share. If you tap on share, you can immediately share that object using your messenger. I can, for example, tap on WhatsApp. I can find WhatsApp here, or I can use it from suggested. And now I can send in that way this object to a person. I can now open up WhatsApp and let me show you how it looks like. Here it is, that conversation where I have just sent that picture. And also you can open up photos, hold down, release finger, then tap on copy, and now you can open up any app or any messenger and then paste that photo in here. Just double tap, hit on paste, allow paste, and that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.